Yeah, it's Billy of the Loving Hearts Club. Well, you know, we've got quite a long line tonight and a fair amount of food, but I don't think we're going to quite make it all tonight, which is okay. You know, it happens, and we just do what we can. Anyways, going to introduce you to everybody. Say your name.
Sarah.
Hi, Sarah.
Petra.
We haven't seen you guys in a while.
What's your name? Say your name.
Say your name. Who are you?
What's your name?
Noah.
It's Noah.
Noah.
Zachary.
Hi, Zachary.
Sean.
Hey, Billy.
Miss Shoney's with us
Miss
tonight.
Shoney. Yeah, that's what they call me.
And Laura.
Hello.
And Karen.
Hello.
Brought out some water. That's awesome. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, thank you.
Hot chocolate. Miss Carmen. Oh, I see you hanging around the hot chocolate there.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Well, actually, I got pushed out of the way by
Morgan. She's counting.
Hi, Billy.
Hi, Aspen. How are you?
Good.
And look who we got here. It's the Cap. The Cap Staff. Yeah, rock and roll fan. And what'd you bring? Turkey soup. Nice. Very cool. Nurse Lori. Hey, that didn't last long, did it?
No, it sure did not, but it's awfully good.
And we have some new people joining us tonight. Well, you know, pretty much every Sunday we have new people, so we're going to introduce you to them as well.
Hi, I'm Peggy.
Hi, Peggy. Thanks for joining us.
My pleasure.
Hi. Sandy.
Hello.
Nothing.
Burrito.
Hello. How are you? Say your name.
Yeah.
Maria.
How are you?
Julie.
Sienna.
Donna. And Anna. And Gabby.
Hi, Billy.
Hi, Charlotte. Say your name. Shannon.
Pudding team.
Pudding team. Ask her again. She'll tell you the same. And hey, guys, say your name.
Jonathan.
Jonathan.
Izzy.
Izzy. Cool.
Denise.
Denise.
Marnie.
Marnie.
Grant.
And
Grant.
Grant.
Yeah.
Cool. Very cool. Well, thank you guys. You brought pizza tonight. That's a big hit out here. Always. Well, this is how we do it, and this is why we do
I
it.
will not keep her like